everybody, it's Erin with Cornell Studio Supply. I am with Amelia Stamps Pottery today. She was workshop number 9 here at Cornell. She was actually the first demonstrator that I had. She came right after I took over the shop before we did all the remodel. And this is her work. This is a little bit of her older work. You will find her glazes along with her Celadon glazes that she has in John Britt's Cone 6 Guide to Mid-Fire Glazes. So there is Amelia's beautiful, beautiful work. These are 2 different glazes that she uses, if you remember. And my favorite mug, I take it everywhere. I think it's number 4 that I've had. This one right here is a demonstration piece of her slip trailing. And this also right here, this really gorgeous. Look at this, look at this. Look at that, it is so pretty. Nice little teacup. Look at that, it's like a little tutu. But so precious, just like Amelia. I hope she comes up and sees us soon. So there's one of her mugs, and then right behind me you can see the little plates. And this right here, remember the texture, the slip decoration. So she did an all-terrain and slip class, right? There's her slip. This piece right here. There goes my table. You see, look at those are little fingerprints. But Amelia Stamps, Lexington, Kentucky, grew up in Asheville. Wonderful potter, wonderful friend, wonderful demonstrator. So thank you, Amelia. Workshop number 9 at Cornell Studio Supply.